Yes, Edo people. Somebody called me some minutes ago that I should watch Ranamigo online, Ranamigo ranting about the demolition of Tony Kabaka's hotel that was built on government land. For those that watch that video, you see that a section of that hotel blocked an existing road, So they said, I watched the video, Ramigo said he just spoke with Tony Kabaka, that Tony Kabaka is sending people to burn down my house because the government demolished his hotel. From Tony Kabaka, you are my friend and you still be my friend, just that you don't listen. I called you many times, I went to your house, I pleaded with you. Even when I was doing all that, these same miscreants, Ranamigo, and all these idiots, like the Kola Edokpayi, the Emmanuel Ekpogun, these guys that you now use against me and against the government, you are also a betrayer, Tony Kabaka. This people that you use against me, they were the same person saying, about nothing Isaac Kabaka. About should come out and insult Kabaka. About is scared of Kabaka. Hey, about Kabaka, they insult your governor. You don't fit talk. You don't fear Kabaka. I was just trying to protect our relationship, but it has come to a stage where I need to take a stand. And of course, I am 100% with Governor Obaseki. Any decision he takes, any action he takes, I will stand by him and I will defend him. So I called you as a friend. I spoke to you. I sent you a series of messages. Said Tony Kabaka is not too late. Go and see Chief Osaroida. Go and see some people that are very close to this man. He's a sitting governor and he's going to be a State governor for 8 years. All the people that fought Oshomole, all the people that stepped on Oshomole's toes, we know what happened to them. We know how Professor Oshodi's official residence was demolished. We know things that played. We know how Oshomole used major lawyers or lawyer to bring down people's houses without compensation. I tried for you as a friend. Even without you, I reached out to so many people to say, while we were doing that, you went to Abuja, you were singing God with the chopper, ngafu. It's just a chopper, ngaga. For Christ's sake, you're not the only person in EPM. I told you. In a call, there's anywhere, anywhere lagbe. You're not the only person in EPM. One sorry 1 year, I was on society. Ave Osabo, Ave Yanike, they don't do this as you do. They don't do it. They don't. The next thing, police go Osabo house. You went there to stop police from doing their job. The next thing you said, then they tell the person, you insult the governor. Even when they went to send that demolition notice, you didn't only insult the governor, you insulted the governor's parents, for Christ's sake. I'm your man. So, do kakame na amigo wa no gyo wa don't gyo wa me ramagba don't gyo because you have problem with the government. A problem with my house is not on government land. I'm telling people now, especially people that are still in this government, say you are in Obaseki's government. Don't say because you are in Obaseki's government, you are above Ayukbo. If you go to this Edo GIS, almost all these EPA members that don't have documents in their houses, that don't have paperwork, that are built on government land, they are not struggling to see how they can get government paper from where? Government Obaseki are not getting legal documents. They are struggling seriously because most of these people, when Oshomole and Lokibede was in government, they acquired so many government properties. They converted so many government properties to themselves. So, Tony Kabaka, if you send somebody to bomb my house, if you are saying that, call them to come and bomb my house. Call them. You are not calling Ramigo. You say Ramigo that called police for you in Italy. You say Ramigo that called FBI and called you a terrorist. It's not the person you are not calling. You are also a betrayer. You were the one that called me when Ramigo was giving you issue. I didn't want to come until when FA called me to say, Tony, we Umare, and Abue. I joined you to stop that stupid Ramigo. That's it, Ramigo, you are not using. Don't give a one that government, you have demolition a hotel where. Don't give a one, your body, where to betray me. So what do you expect me to do? As government is playing their constitutional role, retrieving government property. You want me to need to do when you need Obaseki. Will you join me to fight Oshomole? You also join me to fight Oshomole. If you want me to join you, now that you are the receiving end, to fight Obaseki. Please also join me now. You do it first. Join me now to fight Oshomole. So I have no personal issue with you. I was not there when you were building your house. I was not there when you were doing all these things, whatever you did. I didn't tell you to go and insult Obaseki. So for me, I am 100% Obaseki. I believe in the Togba movement. I'm the leader of Togba family all over the world. So you don't expect me to play neutral. I warned you. I told you many times to say, Baba, this thing where they go, you're not good or you're not good. Now I'm fully with the governor. No sentiment. If that will put an end to our friendship, let our friendship go. For now, I am 100% Obaseki. So you can't. You already told me that you are coming to destroy my house. You are coming to burn down my house. Come and burn down my house. My people see your family in Canada every day. Then they more. We know where all of that day. Many of them always go even hide their family for abroad. We know people when they follow me for social media. They know our family for abroad. They know our houses. Nobody will get monopoly of violence. Whatever you have with government or Makame, in Winame Ukia. Have you ever heard that Abba slap person for Benin? All the people when insult me for social media, when blackmail me, if I see them for road and hug, I hug them. Because I play points of no bitterness. We fit get argument for social media, but when we see it for ground, I don't say because I'm near governor, I don't go use government level. I can't do it. Governor will not even tolerate it. Because I look at this one. I use my relationship with the government to see how I can influence appointment for people, influence jobs, people, get government to do roads. Look at Abagba Road, look at Xavier Road, look at Iriri Road. This is not the reason why I get government to say, reason now. Do you know how many roads I've sent to governor in the last 6 months that he said, we can't do this year. Okay, don't worry, forward it to C4. Forward this one. We will do this one next year. You know how many? So that's the reason I'm in government. I'm not in government to use government connection to intimidate people. Or to use government connection to acquire lands, government lands, never. Or to use government connection to build on government or block government road. So when Amigo said you're coming to Bonda, if anything happens to my house, if anything happens to my family, if anything happens to any boy that is affiliated to me, you will be held responsible. Who will say, do you remember who a government? Who will hear in your basket here because a fire will not go here bugbe. The government of government of Shomole. So no, they should stop using you. You are not the only person supporting Oshomole. They should stop using you. Saying is there. Saying Oshomole is there. Victor Aidoro is there. Why when you walk by lie? That's what I keep telling you, and that's what I'll continue to tell you. Don't go on. Don't get on. Thank you very much.